A pleasant day to all of you. I am Gustavo Bramante Basco, a Masonry NC2 holder from Sablayan National Comprehensive High School. Multimedia equipment such as computers, projectors, speakers, and microphones are commonly used in Masonry NC2 for presentations, demonstrations, training, and sharing of information. So these technologies help learners understand procedures clearly through visual and audio presentation. So today, I will demonstrate the proper utilization of multi-electronic media equipment and show the correct procedures in setting up, operating, and maintaining these tools effectively and safely. For the equipment, we have laptop, 2 speakers, projector, DVD player, amplifier, microphone receiver, and wireless microphone. For the connectors, we have the following. The HDMI. This is to use to connect the laptop to the projector. Projector power cord. This supplies power to the projector. RCA connectors. These have different colors, the white, yellow, and red. Wire receiver power cord. This supplies power to the wireless. Then the last one, the single jack connector. This is used to connect the amplifier to the receiver. Okay, now, let me show you the proper setup of the electronic equipment. First, the single jack cord from the amplifier to the receiver. Next, plug in the power cord to the receiver. After that, connect the RCA connections or connectors from the DVD player to the projectors using their corresponding colors, red, white, and yellow. Then, plug in the power cord to the projector. Next, connect the HDMI connectors from the laptop to the projector. Lastly, connect all the power cords to the power source in the following order. The first one is the amplifier. The receiver. The DVD player. And then the last one, the projector. Now, let us proceed to turn on all the equipment. First, turn on the amplifier. Followed by the receiver. And then, the wireless microphone. Sound check, sound check. Okay, the microphone is working properly. Our DVD player is functioning, and now let us turn on the projector. Okay, now let us proceed with the testing if it is the PowerPoint presentation. Now let us proceed with the testing of PowerPoint presentation. Okay, as you can see, it works properly and displays the presentation successfully. After the presentation, we will conduct the proper shutdown procedure for all the multimedia equipment to ensure safety and prolong the lifespan of the equipment. First, turn off the projector. The amplifier, the receiver, and the DVD player. After turning off all the equipment, let us unplug all the connectors and the power cords from the power source. Now, proper organization of the cables is important, so let us coil all the connectors properly. Proper cable management prevents accidents and helps prolong the lifespan of the equipment. Remember, professionalism is not only shown in how we operate the equipment, but also in how we maintain and care for it afterwards. Once again, I am Diosdado Bramonte Vasco, a holder of Masonry NC2, laying the foundation of success. Thank you and have a pleasant day.